Hi, Jeff here, StopTheSnirt.com. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are in Lowry, Minnesota with the Millennial Farmer. And we're doing some Snirt insulation on the bottom sealer. And Zach, what's been some of the challenges you've had with your 28 by 16 foot doors?
28 by 16 doors, yeah. One of the big things we've noticed is when we get a west wind with a thunderstorm or any kind of rainfall, we get a lot of water that washes in.
Okay.
I don't know exactly where it's coming in at, but we can't stop it. We get a lot of water in. We've got to clean it out every time we have a west wind. We've had some rodents kind of eat their way through the corners.
Okay.
And we've had an issue with that. It seems like they've shrunk down a little bit since they were new. So the corners kind of pull themselves in, make it really nice and inviting for the rodents, and they don't even have to chew through them.
What happens in the wintertime?
Well, we can definitely feel the air coming in. Whatever direction the wind is from, you can go to that door and you can feel some of the air kind of blowing through the sides.
Okay, and that's one of the things that the Snirt stopper, the bottom seal, will do. It's two things. It seals and it insulates to keep the snow, the dirt, the grime away. And it's made from a Kevlar belting material. And why that is so significant is we give it a 25-year warranty. So rodents and other critters, it's very hard for them to chew through. We've had customers who have shared with us that they have stopped their rodent issues. They've kept all the snow and the heat. And the number one issue we see with the ag producers and farmers like yourself is they're able to save money on their heating costs. We've heard up to 40% decrease in their energy costs. So I think the next step is let's take a look at your door, see how it is, and we'll do an installation.
Okay.
Well, let's look at why Snirt happens. So Zack has two doors. We have a north door that we just finished the installation of the bottom sealer, and we have a south door. So let's look over here. As Zack is well aware of, if we come down here, this gap shows why Snirt happens. We're losing heat in the wintertime, dirt, critters, and other crap gets in there. But we finished on the north door, and on the same side, on the north side, we have had a similar situation. And Zack, point out what we were able to do to stop Snirt from happening.
Yeah, we had the same, I'd say, 6-inch gap over here where the old seal had shrunk up or the rodents had eaten through, and you could clearly see daylight right through it. You could feel the wind coming in there, so you know in the wintertime it's doing the same thing. We've got this seal installed now. You can see how it follows the floor, and it appears to be airtight right now. There is no light or wind coming through there now.
And one of the other things we noticed when we were installing it, the floor is not 100% level. Actually, when we get about here, this concrete drops down a little bit. So with the thermal insulator, because that can seal up to, some people say they've sealed up to a 2-inch gap. We like to use this product, the regular sealer, for 1.5 inches. We do have products to seal up a 3-inch gap. So because of that thermal insulator, Snirt's not happening.
We stopped the Snirt.